Flight Alaska, DBA Yute Air, was an American airline based in Bethel, Alaska, USA. It operated scheduled services to over 22 villages in Alaska and also provided charter services throughout Alaska. Its main base was Bethel Airport. The air carrier announced abruptly that it was ceasing operations on March 5, 2017, effective immediately, with Ravn Alaska purchasing the tangible owned assets of Yute Air and replacing Yute Air on its former routes. History. The airline began flying from Dillingham, Alaska in the mid-1950s as Bob Harris Flying Services. The certificate was purchased by Philip and Demptha Bingman and renamed Yute Air Alaska, meaning the people in Yupik. Yute Air was sold to William Johnson in 1988. In 1999, William Johnson filed for bankruptcy. The company and operating certificate were acquired by the Flight International Group in April 2000 and shortly thereafter renamed Flight Alaska. Under the Flight Alaska name, it operated with a multitude of aircraft in addition to the original Cessna 207 aircraft, including a Lear 35, King Air 200, and 4 Casa 212-200s. Operations included bypass mail, scheduled passenger and freight service, lodge and private charters, and government smoke jumping contracts. Yute Air was then acquired by Tim Vadas in 2004. The airline was downsized to only hub out of Bethel, Alaska, and only serve the surrounding area. The name reverted to Yute Air, which it used until going out of business in 2017. Services. Yute Air operated services to the following domestic scheduled destinations at June 2012: Bethel, Chifornak, Eek, Good News Bay, Kipnik, Kongaganak, Quijalingok, Newtok, Nightmute, Platinum, Quinhagak, Toksuk Bay, Tanchatuliak, and Tunyanak, Atmatluak, Nanapachik, Kasaglik, Kwetlik, Akayachak, Akiyak, Tuluksak, Kalskag, and others. Fleet. At the time of closure, Yute Air's fleet consisted of 2 Cessna 172 and 12 Cessna 207 aircraft, all sold to Ravn Alaska upon closure. References.